Good morning, Indira Shah here. Today I'll be making vegetable pulao. Okay, for vegetable pulao, you need to take the required rice, whether you take basmati rice or the usual cooking rice, whatever it is, wash and then soak it with double the water. See, here I took 3 glasses of rice. I have used 6 glasses of water. After washing, I added water. Then I have added here tej pata, here the cinnamon, the clove and the cardamom. Okay, cardamom I have opened and put it. You have to soak it for minimum half an hour. Okay, and double the water. I have taken 3 glasses, so 6 glasses of water. And you have to slice onion. For 3 glasses of rice, I have taken about 3 small onions. You have to slice them like this. Okay, and then for grinding you need coconut milk or coconut. So I have taken coconut, about 100 grams of coconut, about 12 green chilies, a piece of ginger, and this is mint. And if you eat garlic, you can take garlic, but I don't use garlic, so I have not added garlic. And the vegetables that I have taken is, this is double beans. This is last year's double beans which I had stored it in the freezer. This is again last year's peas which I had stored it in the freezer. And this is beans, carrot, this is potato, and this is turnip, nool kol we say. Nool kol is very good for health. If you have, knee pain or the ankle pain or whatever it is, this is very good. You have to eat raw, okay? So I've taken this many vegetables. Now what you should do is, first you need to grind all these. In the meantime, let me keep the cooker and saute this. Here I have added 2 spoons of ghee and 4 spoons of oil. Okay. Now add this sliced onion. Okay. If you like garlic, you can add garlic and fry them. Now you have to fry this till brown. Okay. Let us fry this till brown. It has to become transparent. Okay. In the meantime, let me grind. In the meantime, I'll grind this coconut, green chili, mint, and this ginger. If you have coconut milk, you can directly add coconut milk. That will taste more better. Now let me grind this. Allow it to become brown. See, now it has become brown and transparent. Now add the vegetables. These are all cut and washed vegetables. Now mix it. And now add the masala. Add the masala. Now add the rice, soaked rice with double the water. I have not added extra water at all. See, even to clean the mixie jar, I took the water that I had added in the rice. Now mix well. We need to add salt. Now add the required salt. Now, if you want to know whether the salt is okay, now you can just take a little of this juice and taste. Yeah, the salt is perfectly okay. Now you need to close the lid and then take only 3 whistles. Only 3 whistles, not more than that. Okay, and in the meantime, take 1 onion and little cashews. You have to deep fry them in ghee. Okay. Here, the pulav is ready after the 3rd whistle. See, you can see how beautiful the aroma is. So this is very easy to make. You can certainly try this in your house. Now let me just put it in a serving bowl and show you. Here, the pulav is ready, the vegetable pulav. Trust me, this will be very tasty. While eating, you can sprinkle the deep fried onion and cashew nuts. And here there's a salad of onion and tomato. Raita, I can say. This goes very well with this. Trust me, please prepare this and get back to me and give me your sincere feedback. Thank you very much for watching my channel in the name of Indira Shah. If you have any suggestions, please don't hesitate to tell me. Thank you very much again. This is with Vela. Bye-bye.